Welcome back to Traveling Kangaroo. If you're planning a visit to the iconic Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, you're in for an unforgettable experience. Today, we're diving into 7 essential things you need to know before you go. Whether you're a space enthusiast, a curious traveler, or someone looking for a fun day out with family and friends, these tips will help you maximize your visit and make the most of your day at this incredible destination. So buckle up and let's blast off into the wonders of space exploration. Tip 1. Make bus reservations early. First things first, if you want to see the Saturn V complex, make your bus reservations as soon as possible. This is crucial because seating is limited and it's first come, first served. When you arrive at the Kennedy Space Center, head straight to the security check-in where you'll see signs for bus reservations. There are also kiosks available if you prefer not to use your phone. You'll receive a confirmation email with your tickets, which allows you to start your tour right away. Trust me, you won't want to miss this part of your journey, as the Saturn V rocket is an awe-inspiring sight that showcases human ingenuity. Tip 2. Start at the Atlantis exhibit. Once you have your bus reservations secured, I recommend starting your day at the Atlantis exhibit. This is where you can see the real space shuttle that completed 30 missions. It's not just a replica, this is the real deal. The exhibit features fascinating displays about the shuttle's missions and the astronauts who flew them. Plus, don't miss the shuttle launch experience, which simulates what it's like to launch into space. It's an exhilarating way to kick off your adventure. You'll feel the vibrations and experience the thrill of liftoff right from the comfort of your seat. Tip 3. Utilize lockers at the Atlantis exhibit. Now let's talk about convenience. The Atlantis exhibit offers free lockers for up to 3 hours. This is perfect for stowing away any bags or lunch you might have brought along. Not only will this allow you to explore hands-free, but it's also air-conditioned. Bring your lunch and save some money while enjoying your meal in comfort. Just imagine being able to stroll through the exhibits without worrying about carrying everything around. It's a game changer. Tip 4. Bring your own food. Speaking of saving money, consider packing your own lunch. Food inside the Kennedy Space Center can be pricey, and there are often long lines, especially during peak seasons. The good news is that KSC allows you to bring food in small, soft-sided coolers. I suggest packing sandwiches in a tote bag. It's easy to carry and can be folded away after you eat. You can also stop by local grocery stores or bakeries before your visit to grab some delicious options. Publix is a popular choice nearby, offering great deals on sandwiches and snacks. Tip 5. Wear comfortable shoes. As you prepare for your visit, make sure to wear comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking and standing throughout the exhibits and presentations. Some exhibits have seating available, but many require standing room only. Florida's heat can be intense, so dressing in layers will help you adjust between the outdoor heat and cooler indoor spaces. A hat and sunscreen are also great ideas to protect yourself from the sun while exploring outside. Tip 6. Take advantage of free Wi-Fi. In our tech-savvy world, staying connected is essential. Luckily, the Kennedy Space Center offers free Wi-Fi throughout the area. This means you can check your emails or reserve bus tours without worrying about data charges. It's super convenient and keeps you connected during your visit. You can use this time to share your experiences on social media or check out more information about exhibits right from your phone. Tip 7. Appreciate the experience beyond space. Finally, don't underestimate the impact this trip will have on you. Even if you're not particularly interested in space or astronomy, visiting the Kennedy Space Center offers a deeper appreciation for our universe. You'll find yourself inspired by the stories of exploration and the science behind space travel. Take a moment to reflect on how far humanity has come in our quest for knowledge about the cosmos. You may even find yourself discussing what you've learned with fellow visitors or wanting to dive deeper into astronomy afterward. Bonus tip: try Astronaut Food. And as a little bonus for all you foodies out there, don't forget to check out the gift shops for Astronaut Food. Ever wondered what astronauts eat in space? Now's your chance to find out. It's not just a gimmick, it's a fun way to take home a piece of your experience. You might find freeze-dried fruits or even meals that astronauts actually consume during missions. It's a unique treat that adds an extra layer of fun to your visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Kennedy Space Center. I hope these tips help enhance your visit and make it as memorable as possible. The Kennedy Space Center is a place that inspires people of all ages and backgrounds, reminding us of our potential and encouraging curiosity about the universe. Don't forget to subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more travel guides and tips. Follow us on social media for updates and visit our website at travelingkangaroo.com for more information on travel destinations and advice. Until next time, safe travels and keep exploring.